I'm so excited.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to open my Boxycharm. I'm very excited but also scared because I noticed that it's destroyed here and it's almost open here. So I hope nothing is missing inside. I really hope that. But let's go to open it now. It's funny because I don't even need a knife to open it. It's already open almost, so I hope nothing is missing inside. I really hope. So, ooh, I think I'm going to love it. Okay, so, what's that? Cargo cosmetic. Okay, nude beige eyeshadow palette. Ooh, I think I would like that. Oh yeah. Oh, I love that. I love it. I'm going to try this one. I'm sure it's amazing. Oh yeah. Look. So I'm going to try this one. Wow, it really covers a lot. I like it. Oh, I love it. I think I want to try with this one because it's almost the same. Oh yeah. So this one you can see it's very transparent, but this one I love it. Let's see what else I have. It's clearly open. I hate to see that, but it's okay. I'm going to call him. So, Summer Glow Mini Summer Essential Set Twisted. I don't know it. Let's see. Oh, okay, I see now. Oh, okay. You can use it for a blush stick, highlight stick, shadow, the mini shadow, mini brown pencil too, mini brown pencil. So this one is the blush, Moroccan Rose. Oh, like my name. We'll see. To do the coloration of my hair in blonde, because seriously, I was like that. Oh, it doesn't work. Of course it doesn't work. Open it. Oh my god. When I will show that to my husband, he will laugh at me again. Oh no. Okay. So, guys, after you open it, don't forget, open it. Wow. So it's very discreet, but when you apply that after, I love it. Yeah, I love it. It's so cute. It reminds me when I was in school, when I was young, and you draw a lot of stuff. It's so cute. I love it. So let's see. What's that? Clarins Paris. Oh my god, of course I'm going to love it. Ooh, yeah. So, oh, it's in French. Embellisseur, lèvres mat. Embellisseur, lèvres mat. Ooh, that's a wait. I'm going to take off my lipstick right now, and I'm going to try this one. Wait, 2 minutes.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'm ready. So, let's try it. I never had a lipstick from Clarins Paris before, so... First of all, it smells very good, and it's a red, and I love red lipstick, so... I want to eat that. It smells so good, guys. Oh god, it reminds me candy. Candies. I was going to do, hey, smell it, but no, it's a camera. I love it. Okay, so it's a red. I will say not dark, a red light, clearly light red, and of course I love it. But I'm very curious to know what is inside the box. So let's go to continue to discover the product I received. What's that? Big fat liner. Oh, it's from Core. I didn't know we made that. Oh, I didn't know. I'm going to look. Hey guys, go drink something, because I need time to open that. Oh, c'est pas possible ça. Yeah, hey, we go. So, Core marker pen. Oh, it's a highliner. Okay. I'm so bad for make highliner on me, and I always look on YouTube some video about that. I always do wrong. It's always untie here. Sometimes it's like that, but it's I'm going to show you. I'm not a professional for that. Ooh. Okay. I'm so happy, guys. My god. Normally, when I use an eyeliner, it doesn't go very good, okay, on my eyes, and always you have some black stuff here, you know. This one, it's very easy to apply on your eyes, and that's just crazy. I'm so happy to finally find something that work on me, because eyeliner is complicated to do it, but with that, Oh no, clearly I love it. Oof, 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 no. Okay. Oof. Okay. It's not perfect, but it's better than that what I did before. Oh my god, before. I can show you right now, but okay. Let's continue. Okay, it's completely damaged. I'm going to call Wim, yeah. I'm going to contact Wim clearly. So I'm going to fix that first. Okay, so what's that? Medi Cosmetics Active Glow. Oh, it's in French. Beyond. Crème teintée. Oh, okay, I see what's that. Lightweight sheer color adaptive cream with vitamins. Légère et à la texture ultra fine, cette crème à base de vitamines s'adapte au teint de gomme, au teint et gomme les imperfections. Résultat, la peau est visiblement lumineuse et unifiée. I can't try it because I have foundation, but I'm going to try the highlights. This time, I'm going to remove the cap. I'm not going to forget it again. So, ooh, it's beautiful. Can you see, guys? It seems very beautiful. Okay, it's very discreet. I'm sure you can't see too much on the video, so clearly I'm not going to show you, but let's try it. Oh, wow! Wow! That's crazy, guys! Oops. Okay. That's crazy. Oh my god. I'm so surprised. I love it. I love it. It doesn't smell anything. It smells product, that's it. So, I'm going to stop here because I don't want to try all of that. I can't, I already have makeup on me. But I'm going to try it tomorrow. Oh my god, tomorrow I'm going to put some makeup to be very pretty, and I think my husband will love that. Before I let you, I'm going to try again the blush because I really want to see. I want to see. Oh yeah. Oh. I love it. Oh. Who made that? I love it. Look at this. It's so cute. Oh my god. And now I really love it. Okay, now I'm going to let you guys, and thank you so much to watch my video. Don't hesitate to let me a comment, okay? And that's it. I wish you a good day, guys. Bye.